Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the function expressions in Azure Logic Apps, how to use that. So I will explain. So we have a lot of functions to use in Azure Logic Apps, but currently I'm going to explain the string function only. In going sessions, going forward I will explain these all functions one by one. Currently I'm going to cover the only string functions. So in real-time scenarios, using the expression in Azure Logic Apps are mandatory. When you are retrieving the data from the source location, you need to process those files and you need to push into the some target location. So in this meanwhile, you have to process those files and you need to add the functions. So how to use that in real-time scenario, I will explain practically. Please watch my previous video, because the all process are same. The everything process is same, but I'm going to apply the expressions. That is the part I'm going to add in this existing part. I will explain a little explanation. I will explain. So I have the virtual machine. So I have the FTP server and the virtual machine already I have configured. So I have one file. The file is, this is a simple JSON file. This is a simple JSON file. I'm taking this file from the FTP folder. So I need to iterate the items, each and every items, using the for each loop. So after that I need to pass that data. Why we need to pass the data? To read the data dynamically. So now we will start our functions, how to use function expressions, how to use that. I'm going to use the select. Where is my select. So the items which is inside the JSON, so we need to iterate each and every item. So that's why I will show that. Where is my file? We need to iterate these items, these properties. So these properties reside the student. First we need to select the student. Now we need to apply the expressions. First of all I will go with the concatenating. Concatenating is nothing but adding the two strings. So how to add the two strings dynamically? I will explain. Basically you can easily add the two strings, but when you are going to retrieve the data from the JSON format, you need to use the JSON elements. You have to add that dynamically. So how to add that I will tell you. First of all, you need to understand the for each loop. For that I am checking for my file. This is my first property. This is my second item. When we are talking with the for each loop, so these are the items. This is the first item and this is the second item. We need to concatenate these two items. So we have the function called the concatenating. The concat of. So now you have to define the string. So where your strings are available in the for each loop. So this is my first string. So just keep in mind, when you define the items, the first item and second item, when you are going to define, when you want to define the items which is when they are in the iterating stage, you have to consider them, they are in the for each loop. So how to use the for each loop items? So this is the way we need to use the for each loop items. Item of the name, and the second thing, second item of the last name. Next, we got Okay, sorry, you need to add the iterating. Click on OK. So now I'm going to give it name as a concat. Okay, click on save and run the trigger. Okay, you can see I have concatenated the first and second, first name and last name. This is the first name, last name. So after concatenation, this is the outcome. Okay, so next thing, ends with. Okay, so how to use the ends with? So ends with is nothing but, for example, my name is Chaitanya Srinivas. So this is the substring. Okay, when you want to set your n name with the substring, okay, use the ends with. Okay, the substring will set your name with the substring in the with the original text, original string. Okay, okay, if it's found, it will return the true. Okay, again I will explain. So this is substring. If this substring is set in the main string, this is the main string, this is substring. So if this is find out in the main string, it will return the true. The simple logic. Okay, don't think too much about that. Okay, so that is the reason why this is called the Boolean expression, sorry, Boolean type. Okay, it will return the true or false. Okay, now this is our expression. Okay, first of all, this is the first item in the for each loop, this is the second item in the for each loop. Okay, I'm going to concatenate the both of them. So finally I define the substring. Okay, my substring is find out in the find out in the main string. This is the main string, it will return the true. Okay, so copy, where is that? What happened? Again I forget to mention here. Okay, okay, now I hope it work. Okay, ends with. Okay, it should return the true, true. You can see true because the substring is find out in the main string. If it's find out in the main string, it will return the true conditionally because it's a Boolean type. Okay, so same like that, the start with also same. Okay, check whether the string starts with the specific substring. You have to mention the same things. If it's find out the main string, it's find out in the main string, so it will return the true. Okay, next GUID. So you don't need to bother about too much on this because where is GUID means it will give you a unique GUID. Okay, GUID. Next, indexOf. Okay, so many persons. Okay, indexOf is nothing but it will give you the index position of your substring. I will explain. Okay, for example, Chaitanya Srinivas, what is my index position? Okay, sorry, here. Okay, Chaitanya Srinivas. Okay, our substring I have defined is the Srinivas. Okay, what is my substring position? So where S start? Let me count. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it means my index position start at the 10th index position. Okay, where is that? Index of yeah, this one, this expression. Okay, so this is the first item in the for each loop, this is the second item in the for each loop. Okay, this is the last name, so it will return the index position of the substring. Okay, copy, you can see the hello world. What is the index position of the world is the 6. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the 6th position. I hope you got it. indexOf. Next, the length, I think you know, it will return the number of items in the string of array. Okay, the replace, okay, this is also is very easy. It will replace the new string, sorry, okay, old string with the new string. Okay, let me explain, no problem. So I will write there directly here, replace of my concatenation. Okay, hold text, let me copy this, I will write here directly, otherwise I am getting confusion. Okay, replace, first of all we need to concatenate, because we will get the first name and last name from this concatenation. So after that, old string, what is the function, replace. Okay, here what they are mentioned, string already mentioned, the old string and new text. Okay, the old string and new string, old text and new text. Okay, where is that, replace, this is the our real full name, so old text is nothing but, okay, I will consider this is the old one. Okay, comma, and a new one I will give a name it as a Tom, no, not Tom, Chaitu, I will give a my name. Okay, Control C. Okay, now I will give a name it as a replace. Okay, now we will run the program. You can see it's replaced with my name. Okay, what is the old name? You can see there, there is no Thomson Roy Chaitu is not there, but when I replace with Chaitu, okay, already the GUID also generated. So on the index position of the substring, this is the, okay, and the split function. Okay, this is the split function, everyone is so many times and real time is thoroughly it's using. Okay, I will explain the split function. So for example, you have the main string like Chaitu, comma, Nivas. Okay, it will return the array of strings. Okay, it will return the array of strings. Okay, you will get the output in the form of array of strings. Okay, so you have the like this. Okay, I will replace this like this. Okay, underscore like that. You have the string, you have string in the input, but you don't want in that in output. Okay, so use this delimiter. You can get rid of that. Okay, final output how it will come. The Chaitu is a one string and Nivas is a one string by replacing the comma. Okay, replacing the commas. So the final output will be, I will show you, Chaitu comma Nivas. Okay, so what we are doing, we are using the delimiter. Okay, we are using, and using the commas we are separating the items. Okay, separating the items. Okay, so this is the way the split function will be work. So how it will work, we will show you. I will show you. Okay, first of all I will change there, then you can understand. Okay, Thompson underscore Roy. So the output will be the Thompson one and comma and Roy is another thing. Okay, we are separating by the delimiter. Okay, only I will give the only last name only. So item of last name comma, what is the delimiter here, underscore. Okay, click on OK, and this is called, I will give it name as a split. So what will the output, we will get the output, it will return the output in the form of the array of strings. Okay, it will remove the underscore and instead of that it will replace with the comma. You can see the Thompson, actually Thompson underscore Roy, but instead of that what output we got, so Thompson comma Roy. So again I will show, you can see the Thompson underscore Roy, instead of that what we got, Thompson comma Roy. Okay, it will split the values. Okay, it will return in the form of the array of strings. Again, next one. Yeah, you know about this two lower two upper trim. Trim means it will get rid of the white spaces and everything from your main string. Okay, the substring, this is the one of the thoroughly using. Okay, so it will return the value, it will return the string from the specified location. Okay, specified position. For example, okay, so I will explain here. Yeah, the substring of the Chaitanya Srinivas. Okay, so what is the position, this is the position and this is the, so how many characters we need to print from the specified position. Okay, so first I will count this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so it will return the characters from the specified string. Okay, specified position. Okay, so now it will print the, for example 2, what will happen, it will return the only 2 characters. Okay, from the specified position. Okay, for example 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so it means YA only will print, because I have defined the only print the 2 characters only. So that is the reason why we call it as a substring. Substring means so it will, okay, it will print the characters, required characters from the specified position. Okay, so I will explain here. Substring, I will give the last name. Okay, item last name comma, so I forget the syntax, syntax, yeah, 6 comma 5, no need the inverted commas. 6 comma, I will give the only 3. Okay, I am going to print the 3 characters only. Okay, substring, click on save and click on the run. So it will return, it will print the only 3 characters from the specified string. You can see 1 2 3, only 3 characters printed from the specified position. So this is the way. Okay, again I am going to show there, otherwise you will confuse. Okay, you can see what I am given: 0 1 2, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so only print the 3, 0 oh sorry 1 2 3 only. So from the specified position it will print the 3 characters only. Okay, I hope you got it. So this is the way the expressions we need to perform in the Azure logic expressions actually. Okay, thank you so much guys. I will explain the collection functions tomorrow. Thank you so much.